Acura gave the world its first look at the highly anticipated new Integra, signaling the return of the celebrated nameplate to the Acura lineup. Finished in striking Indy Yellow Pearl paint borrowed from NSX, the Integra Prototype is a strong indication of the exterior design of the all-new 2023 Acura Integra, which will be priced around $30,000 when it arrives at Acura dealers next year. Inspired by past Integras, including the original, that helped launch the Acura brand in 1986, the 2023 Integra will become the new gateway performance model in the Acura lineup, a premium sport compact with an evocative 5-door design and fun-to-drive spirit. The first-ever factory turbocharged Integra will excite a new generation of enthusiast drivers with an available 6-speed manual transmission, limited-slip differential and high-output 1.5-liter engine, with VTEC of course. Designed in Japan, the new Integra's bold exterior styling features a dramatically sloping roofline and liftback tailgate, giving it a distinct coupe-like road presence. A modern interpretation of the Integra line, the 5th-generation model displays trademark cues such as the embossed Integra name under the driver's side headlight and passenger's side taillight. First seen on the Type S concept, Acura's new frameless diamond pentagon grille gives the Integra front a purposeful and sporty character. Acura's unique lighting signature is updated with the chicane LED daytime running lights, now positioned above the Integra's dual-eye LED headlights, yielding an even more dramatic appearance. Muscular rear wheel arches and aggressive rear fascia with dual exhaust finishers emphasize Integra's wide track. Inspired by previous Integra models, the distinctive rear styling features wide, single-piece taillights with matching chicane light signature. Behind the Integra Prototype's matte finish 19-inch split 5-spoke wheels are oversized Brembo high-performance brakes with color-keyed Indy Yellow calipers, providing incredible stopping power and an aggressive look. The Integra Prototype's striking Indy Yellow Pearl paint pays homage to Phoenix Yellow, offered on the iconic 2000 to 2001 Integra Type R. High-gloss Berlina black accents have been applied to the Integra's roof, deck lid spoiler, mirror caps, rear diffuser and front grille. A lower sill graphic boldly displays the Integra name across the side of the vehicle. The launch of the 2023 Acura Integra will mark the first time for Integra to be built in America when it begins mass production next year at the Marysville Auto Plant in Ohio.